Guess who?
During the days of the knights, many gallant warriors roamed the countryside in search of good deeds to do. One such gallant knight was Sir Woody.
Anyone who can break the witch's spell and turn the purple dragon back into my son shall win a 2-week vacation in Acapulco. Yeah, Zooks! I always wanted to go to Acapulco. La cucaracha, la cucaracha. Hi, wandering minstrel. Could you tell me where to find the purple dragon?
Now I will tell you, knave, if you go to yonder cave, you will find the dragon there, living in the dragon's lair. But do not rouse his ire, or he'll come out breathing fire. He will singe your feathers off and leave you bare.
Sheesh! Ask a simple question and you get a big production. This must be the place. Hey, dragon! You wait here, chicken-livered horse. Hey, you dragon!
Hey, who threw that water? Who put out my fire?
Well, you mean you're the mean, ferocious purple dragon?
Yeah, well, you see, I'm not for real. I'm the king's son, and the wicked witch turned me into a dragon.
Wow, what a story. Sir Woodpecker locates witch, steals magic wand, and changes dragon back into the king's son, and wins reward.
Oh, could you do that?
Well, here we are. I'll just try the direct approach.
Oh, drat! Yeah, what do you want?
Ah, good afternoon, beautiful witch. Would you loan me your magic wand for a few minutes?
Are you kidding? Get out of here, I'll turn you into a lizard. Now what? Look, I told you to... Huh? Funny, I don't remember turning him into a lizard. Oh, well. I must be working too hard. I gotta take some of my brew over to Granny. It's good for her lumbago. Needs a few more spider legs. I better take my wand. And away we go.
Here she comes.
My hat! Somebody stole my hat! It's getting dark. I can't see.
Aha, I got the wand.
That dirty little rat think. Anyway, it won't do him no good without the magic word.
Hey, gorgeous, wait a minute.
Somebody's following me. Getting so a pretty girl isn't safe anymore.
Excuse me, but could you tell me the magic word?
Are you kidding? I'll never tell you that.
Oh, yeah? I bet you don't even know the magic word.
Is that so? Well, it's Humperdinck.
Mission accomplished. I got the wand, and I know the magic word. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Humperdinck!
I don't wear shoes, don't need money. I wear long beads, my clothes are funny. Responsibilities I shirk. I'm a hippie, I don't work.
Knock it off, Junior. Let's go see the king. Your Highness, your son has been returned.
My son!
Oh, happy day, Big Daddy. Oh, I am just a flower child, living free and running wild. Raise a beard and grow long hair, do my thing most anywhere.
Stop! Oh, no! My son is now a hippie. Come forward, Sir Woody. I'll give you my son. No, son.
Will do. Humperdinck.
Oh, my. And here is your prize, a ticket to Acapulco.
Ah, para loco. Aquí está su limonada.
Gracias, señorita.